Hello garden lovers. Today I want to share with you my seedling update, and I also want to share some of my photography. I took some beautiful pictures of flowers in my garden last year and I feel ready to share them with you. A few videos ago I uploaded a video about me planting some eucalyptus, and I'm not too sure how well I'm doing. Hang on, I'll show you. This is what I had planted, only one of these. And I put my eucalyptus in here, and as you see, I've got nothing yet. I placed these on a mat. This is what's happened. Well, I say I have nothing yet. I have one. So what I did is I had placed this on a warming mat. The information that I took says that you're supposed to add this cover, this dome to it. Within just a few days, I tell you, this guy popped up. But then what happened is I started getting a little bit of green on the top of some of these cells and a little bit of white mossy stuff anyhow. So it was too humid. So what I did is I would take it off and I just leave it like this. But I left it like this just so that there's a little more air, because then it was turning a little green. And that's what I found on the, I was reading about this. I found it somewhere on the internet where they said that it's important to not let the soil turn green. So anyhow, started doing that, but it was drying out pretty quickly. So I kept spraying and spraying, being sure, for it not to be too dry, not to be too wet. I know that eucalyptus seeds, I was reading that some can take a long while to sprout, but I only got one out of all of the seeds. You guys saw me put a whole bunch. I'd put a few in each cell. I'm not going to give up on this. I'm just going to keep it closed. The reason why this one's here, guys, is because I saw a video last night where they were saying that once the seed has sprouted and that you have a few leaves on there, that you should not keep it on the warming mat, that they actually do better if they're not on the warming mat, and to take the dome off. But these haven't sprouted yet, so I'm keeping the dome on this one. I don't know if I made a mistake. I took it out, and the little seedling here was, I saw his little roots, and then I put it back in, so I hope it's gonna survive. It didn't flop over today, but yeah, I'm gonna need some help understanding what's going on here. Is it just because I haven't waited long enough? Why did this one sprout and none of the others sprouted? It said it was supposed to be 85% germination. That's what's happening. This is my update with my eucalyptus. I have more videos coming up with other flowers, so I'm going to share that with you in I think the next video. Anyhow, that's my update. So now I'm going to share my flowers, the ones that actually did flower in my garden last summer. So I hope you enjoy.